Alright, so what we've got here is a Range Rover Autobiography Hybrid, and what we've done is we've installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. This is a brand new 2023 one, and so yeah, the Ghost Immobiliser will stop the thief from driving off with the vehicle, because they can turn it on, and when they go to try and put it into gear, it will shut down the car, so you can't drive it without the code. So what you got to do when you turn it on, you need to enter your code. Obviously this is just a demo code, so this code can be changed. You can have up to 20 buttons on this, and yeah, it's fully customizable, so any combination you choose you can use to start the vehicle. And now when I put it into gear, as you can see, the vehicle does not shut down. So no code, you can't drive the vehicle. If you want this installed on your Range Rover, see the link down below. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.